The UFO drones stuff escalated again, and I will show you why we should be worried about it. And it's not what you think. And what you should do to deal with this topic as well. A very interesting thing happened, and I want to show you. It's not being talked a lot, and it's a very, very interesting approach about it. First, let me show you two videos that I liked a lot. This one is very reliable. People was calling the cops because of this formation on the sky of these drones. Let me show you.
Someone called the cops on these lights.
Listen.
See, even the police, they're going crazy. These aliens are attacking.
Did you just listen it? A kid was wondering with his mother about if they are aliens attacking or whatever. Look, me and you are one thing. We are adults and most of us are interested in this topic, but people is forgetting the children as well. And they should be correctly informed about this topic, otherwise they will go mad. They are children, and we don't mess with children. So please take your responsibility on this and be careful how you deal with it for yourself first, and then to transmit that safety to the children. They are the future. So this is something to worry about. The children. This is a formation, and then the cops are all over the place. You can hear them, and you can see them as well.
Oh my god, now cars they're starting to notice.
Let's go into the ocean.
Oh, fire truck.
Okay, this is a popular video
Someone
and
called
a
the cops on
very
these lights.
reliable one as well. And what shocked me was to have a children there asking his mother about what's going on here. Look, this kind of drones, this can be anything. I don't claim that I know what it is. This can be anything for sure. This kind of formation that can be made, and even better than this, by humans. We showed them on the Olympics on China, and China used a lot of these drones, as well as other European countries and United States as well. So this is not new. The thing is, we don't know if they are human-made because they are all over the place. However, let me show you something interesting as well. This is a map. Look. This is a map of the locations of the observations of the drones lately on the United States, and you can see they are all concentrated here. You see? There are not all the observations here, but most of it are in this website enigmalabs.io. So you can check the map here. It uses Google Maps as well, and most of them are on this region as expected from the reports. Now let me show you another thing. This is a funny one. I love this video. It's very reliable and very funny. Just don't do this at home, please. Okay? This is a guy that was with fireworks, and look at it.
Shoot that boy down.
The drone is there, up there, you see? And the guy with this...
Shoot that boy down.
Bam! How lucky. Bam! This was a very nice movie. Please don't do this at home. You should not... Any individual should not try to take down a drone, but I have to accept this was, and admit, this was a very funny moment. But please, don't try this at home. There's a reason, and you'll see in a moment, there's a reason for the authorities to not allow to take down the drones. And this is the very interesting and mysterious part of it. First, let me show you what President Trump said. I think it was not very good the last time, but here is a small footage of it.
For some reason, they want to keep people in suspense. I can't imagine it's the enemy, because if it was the enemy, they'd blast it out. Even if they were late, they'd blast it. Something strange is going on. For some reason, they don't want to tell the people, and they should, because the people are really, I mean, they happen to be over Bedminster. Want to know the truth. Comment on the drones that are flying around.
So this is another statement, a summary. They should tell the people. They, the government. They should tell the people what's going on about this, and eventually we will know the truth. Now look at this. This is something very interesting. This is in different mainstream media. I picked this one. This is the Daily Mail on UK, but there's on United States as well. Just pick one, Google it and pick one. Exclusive. This is very recent. Exclusive. Uncovered files reveal secret operation at center of drone invasion and why White House can deny it. And here is the most important part of it. Hold on. Official records show the army has been developing and testing counter-terrorism drones in New Jersey for years, amid claims of a government cover-up. A 2012 defense contract awarded $50 million to a private robotics company to develop craft capable of creating 3D maps of urban areas of a counter weapons of mass destruction program. The contract was given out by the Army's Armament Research, Development and Engineering Center, which is located at, guess what? Picatinny Arsenal in Rockaway, New Jersey, where mystery drones were first reported last month. So, there's a contract valued about $50 million to a robotics company for a program, a drones program, to develop a drones program with the government. And then we can see here the White House has claimed the drone sightings, which coincidentally began on November 18, are not a foreign adversary, pose no threat, and are not part of a US military operation. This FAA notice, this is a ex-CIA, this FAA notice shows us US drone testing is happening in the area, so in New Jersey. It's a warning for others to stay out of the area during those dates. So, there's a reason for this blocking of drones or aerial. This is a test that is being made for, according to them, by this robotics company, and it is until Christmas, I think, they say here, that it will be due to the end of the year. So, the main thing is, there's a contract, there are companies being paid to develop this kind of material, this kind of product, so drones, very efficient drones. It's not a surprise. We are evolving, and military stuff evolve faster than what we see. So it's something else for you to take into account. I'm not saying this is all human. I don't know. I really don't know. But I think this kind of piece of a puzzle that we have here, so money going to a company to develop this kind of stuff, that may be the truth as well. We will know sooner than later, but it's very viable. They are not telling us. It matches all. They are not telling us because it's something secret that is being developed to the government using drones. That matches the explanation, or that fits the explanation why they are not telling anything, and why there are drones, high efficient drones, working around New Jersey, because the center is there. Now, what I believe, but it's just my belief, is that if this is what's happening, they are using this to mock the next 2025 president official run. As he is not yet in the office, they are causing, let's say, taking benefit of it to create some confusion and mess it all. This can be the truth. We'll see sooner than later if there are aliens really in between or not. I'll see you in the next live stream or video talking about the UFOs.